Welcome, everyone. Today, I'm excited to present CodeForge AI, a cutting-edge multi-agent code review and debugging system. Our team, Debug Dynamics, led by myself, Parthiban, has built an AI-powered software engineering ecosystem designed to handle the heavy lifting of code maintenance, from security audits to documentation. In modern software development, teams often find themselves bogged down by repetitive tasks like manual code reviews and writing boilerplate documentation. CodeForge AI was created to solve this by utilizing a collaborative multi-agent system, powered by Google ADK and Gemini. Our platform coordinates specialized AI agents that function as a cohesive engineering team, allowing developers to focus on what they do best, building features. The core problem we're addressing is the sheer volume of time spent on critical yet repetitive tasks. Manual reviews are time-consuming and prone to human error, which leads to missed bugs and security vulnerabilities. Furthermore, documentation quality often suffers when deadlines are tight, creating long-term technical debt. Our solution is a paradigm shift. Instead of a single tool, we provide a team of specialized AI agents. This approach ensures faster development cycles, higher code quality, and robust security through automated testing and high-quality documentation that stays in sync with your codebase. You might wonder, why a multi-agent system instead of a single large AI model? Traditional single-model AI often suffers from context overload and lacks deep specialization. CodeForge AI, however, utilizes collaborative intelligence. By breaking down tasks, our agents achieve higher accuracy, modular scalability, and a more nuanced understanding of complex code structures. Let's take a look at the architecture. It's a highly structured environment where an orchestrator acts as the brain, delegating tasks to specific agents and synthesizing their outputs into a final, actionable result. Each agent in our system has a clear mandate. The orchestrator manages the workflow. The code reviewer focuses on complexity and style. The debug agent hunts for logic errors. The security agent scans for OWASP vulnerabilities, and the test agent ensures every edge case is covered with unit tests. Looking at the workflow, the data flows from the developer's web application through a fast API backend. The orchestrator then engages the memory agent to maintain context while the specialized agents process the code, eventually merging their results into a unified engineering report. The heart of the user experience is our software engineering assistant workspace. This central hub allows you to monitor agent collaboration in real time, see which agent is working on what, and view comprehensive engineering reports as they are generated. Our code analysis interface is designed for simplicity. You can seamlessly drag and drop project files, whether you're working in JavaScript, Python, Go, or C++, for instant, high-fidelity AI analysis across multiple languages. Transparency is key in AI. Our collaboration matrix tracks agent performance, trust levels, and latency. This allows users to see the thought process and reliability of each agent as they interact to solve complex coding problems. Let's look at a practical example: bug detection. In this scenario, our agents identified a potential division by zero error where a variable lacked validation. The system doesn't just find the bug, it suggests a specific fix to improve runtime reliability. For security analysis, the system is equally rigorous. Here, it identified a critical SQL injection risk. Beyond just flagging it, the AI recommends the use of parameterized queries and input sanitization to safeguard your data. Testing is often neglected, but our test generation agent changes that. It automatically generates test cases for zero divisors, negative numbers, and boundary conditions, ensuring your code is resilient against unexpected inputs. Documentation is the final piece of the puzzle. Our system performs context-aware generation, detailing function purposes, parameters, return types, and error handling protocols, making the codebase much easier for human teams to maintain. Our technology stack is built for performance and scale. We use React and Next.js for a responsive frontend, fast API for the backend, and the powerful combination of Gemini and Google ADK for the AI logic. all deployed on Google Cloud Run. The impact so far has been significant in boosting developer productivity. Looking ahead, our roadmap includes deep GitHub PR integration, CI/CD pipeline analysis, and AI auto-fix capabilities to resolve issues automatically. In conclusion, CodeForge AI proves that specialized AI agents working together can transform software engineering. By leveraging Google's best-in-class AI tools, we are making high-quality development more accessible. We invite you to explore our codebase on GitHub or try the live demo today. Thank you.